can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me. When you hold me in your arms so tight, you let me know everything's alright. I'm hooked on a feeling, I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. Lips as sweet as candy, its taste is on my mind. Girl, you got me thirsty for another cup of wine. Got a bug from you, girl, but I don't need a cure. I just stay affecting if I can restore all the good love when we're all alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. I'm hooked on a feeling, I'm high on believing that you're in love with me.
Mr. Santos, ito na yung lumabas sa lab result mo. I'm sorry to say pero you are diagnosed with stage 4 kidney cancer. It's sad to say na you only have 2 months to live. I'm sorry.
When we're all alone, keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. I'm hooked on a feeling, I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. I'm hooked on a feeling, and I'm high on believing.
Sariwa pa ang dugo ng matagpuang patay ang isang bangkay sa isang masukal na lugar sa San Jose. Ayon sa expo ng barangay, ang bangkay ay kinilalang si Andre Santos. Ito ay batay naman sa ID na nakita sa kanyang bangkay. Posibleng dahilan ng pagkamatay ay ang pagnanakaw. Sa aking likuran, natagpuan ang pinagtapunan na naturang bangkay. Makikita Mike sa aking likuran na wala na ang labi ni Andre Santos dahil kaninang alas 7 ng umaga, kinuha ang kanyang bangkay.